Just put a LED blue step light. Put one right here, do a hole right here ready. And we're going to drill 2 more holes in there. I was thinking about putting another one right here. Maybe, we'll see how it goes. Okay, I also put light on the step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to add one more light right here on the corner. I'm sorry. My mouse is cramping up. It's too hot. Okay, I did that one right there. Okay, all the light on that's done. I'm also putting a light underneath here. Alright, gonna do the same thing with this one. I took this one home and fixed the fiberglass because it was cracked. That one had a crack behind there, so I took it home to fix it. Alright, underneath here I did the deck. I took the round wood out. As you can see, I got the deck composite material, and I reinforced it with the aluminum mirror so it can be strong. Alright, and I'm also going to put the amp right here. Have the solar panel just installed, just pre-wired right now. Haven't ordered the solar panel yet and the amp. Alright, the hard part is put the air conditioning in here. I don't know where to put under here. The problem with the air conditioner is 14 high, 14 depth, 22 in length. So I bought a marine air conditioner on Facebook for a good price. So I might just split them up, cut them apart, put the evaporator here, and put the condenser somewhere in that corner. So it's debating on it, and I'll show you the video of the marine air conditioner I bought. Or I could do the same thing like I did with my Baylana, get a window unit and split them up. But the only bad thing about that, it produce the condenser back there is going to produce a lot of heat, and it needs to be cool. And I don't want to cut too much into the boat, which it's already have a lot already, and I didn't want to do more cutting. All right. On top of that, I was thinking about put the blower right here, get rid of the speaker, and put the blower right here to blow the air conditioner, move around this way. So that's option right there. Bathroom heater. Alright, I redo the wire. We're gonna pull this wire and take it out. This is the power for the radar, but things are outdated. You know, it's time to update to modern world. I add a few box right here, and I rearrange. I add some more Nemo 2000 backbone back here. These two is gonna be hooked up to my charter. I'm gonna get 2 of them. Those can, I mean, one is for that, and one's gonna be for the stereo system. You know, this one for something else. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna add it. So I pre-wire 1 extra. I mean 3 extra. Whatever. Alright, this is damaged. I'm gonna fix that. So far so good. We're moving ahead. Alright, I'm probably gonna take this out, sand it, and paint it black, so I can match them. Later on, I have time. I'm gonna take this all out, sand it, and paint it a high gloss black as well. Make it look nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Hey, that's what I'm using. Tools of choice. That's the best to get, dude. I'm gonna finish up here a little bit, clean it up. And we're gonna put the light in. These from eBay. I'm sorry, Amazon. Making Jeff Bezos rich, and the rest of the shareholder, including myself. I'm just joking. Easy to put in. The best way to do it is put that rubber in first, and then put the light in. Squeeze that little thing in there. If it gets too hot, W4 is the best. Okay. Alright, that's it. Simple but effective. Alright guys, DIY every weekend. My board's a mess, I'm sorry. Also add a charger right there. One of the batteries was so low down to 9 volt. But hopefully it come back to charging for the 24 hour. Okay, this one don't know what to do yet, but I'm thinking about put a stereo right there. I mean, it's really just not, you know, I have plenty of like a space. So my theory would be, let's take everything off first. I didn't know there's a bunch of stuff in here. We have a bunch of connectors. Alright, last phone, put a lot of stuff in here. Thank you, sir. We have some stuff. Alright, this is enough room for radio, guys. I'm proud to put a radio in here. Yeah, definitely plenty of room for radio. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, get a plexiglass, take this off, cut the plexiglass, same dimensions this, slide in, and call it a day. Drill a hole right there, run the power, NEMA 2000 connector there, and I'm done. I mean, you know, put the plexiglass. I do have a plexiglass somewhere. Don't know where I put it. Let's see where I put it. The question is, when you need stuff, you can't find it. When you don't need it, it's right there. Anyway, you guys get the point. Put plexiglass, slide in, screw right here. Save this door for reuse and later on if I want to sell the boat, I'll keep it. Alright, I'm going to show you my light. There we go. All the blue lights there in the dash. And on the step, I actually add 2 more on each side. You can see. Alright. And then a little bit over here, one for the step right here. Alright. And then down there, as you can see, I might add 1 more right here. Give it a blue light over here. Alright guys, that should be it.